Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Fleshlight wash. So let's get started. So this is the Fleshlight wash itself. It comes in 100 milliliters and this is a bacteria eliminated cleaning spray for the hygienic care of all your Fleshlight masturbators. It's very simple and easy to use, and you can also use this, and it's suitable for latex and silicone items, so you can use this in combination with other toys as well. Simply remove the cap like so and it reveals a spray. Simply spray a couple of times and use this to clean your masturbators. Very simple and easy to clean with, and a must-have in the bedroom. And that is the Fleshlight wash. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.